Ininza Alem Sangtam, Uata Pidongse, Ishangpe Yangza Lirise. Ta ate iko irokoki, Sangtam Tilala, Liale, I Tiramba Tigeno, Atongche ko Anyin Chobata, I Izadena, Makalang Tana Makomaro, Kara Matogona, Tiramba Tigeno, Tongche Choma. Makang Tsubayung bala marasena akang liroba lasiking tamalaba Tsiramba tigenwe ko tongche choma ta izadena Tsiramba yukinong ko abi tigenong atongche amalalana lina limila Tsubayung ba Tsiramba ko nizana mekachoba Subayong ba abamla makabna rasena lina rocho. Hatsuruduza chanye hibanyamo arangche tsirang ba lushula tigenong sa tsirang bana taza aza mawajako. Chanye February 22 hi nyamo hi iningdang nyamo amala tutsacho hibanyamo itwa ko uwa anyasa February 22 la 1962 la kutricho Hatsuba kutripa romang tina nyamong tina itai uanyana ijutsura atrenye kingurenye sana longpina sirang bayu kina tigenyero abi kang nyakadu kaguza chanongo hiba nyamong 1962 22 February nyamong kutipa hatsa nyamong tina tangkidanana rocho chenge itai uanya hila male siramba te lile ko lungtire anya hila anma tangkidanana zele ko lungtire ko hiba hi nyamong siramba na hiba ordination council na February 22 hi ite changdaba tet fixa choba ma da arana tangkidanang na troche choba nyamong ko hatside machang na itai uanya tangkidanang tikiba nyamong ko tsirangba tikinong ba I atongche ba ko hi kache choba nyamong amala batsa hi yuki wakala iyakangla zature ala tsala na I tsirangba yukiba ko tikiba ko khada kache tro nong tongche cho hatsa hita ina changdare akudiba Siramba Yukino Theological Journey I 2002 lana la PDH ko MTF tham ki tamcho 2005 kang Torch Trinity University Seoul la I MTH Missiology kino vacho ko 2007 la I tham longcho 2016 kang Yonsei University Sola Talina PhD and Missiology kinong vacho ko 2019 kang I PhD tamba longcho apam yoradaba I kang thare maya tsirang bayu kinong la bekha pena ki rocho ala salana atigeba itigeba experience ministry hida changdare EMDF Kiba Tham 2002 la North India la Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Chhattisgarh la teaching missionary kang khatung uchicho Hatsaba kalang isa yucho ashimokona kanton liba Oriental Theological College la lecture kang anya nguchicho 2003 to 2005 hila theological education la Kang wamlana tige chokuna learner hatsa confused masano hatsa kona hatsa kang anya tige bakhalang matoza EMTH thamba EMTH kiade honorary community church kona sola as a pastor as a migrant workers de limi bara hatsaba korea la lira de san yara kang anya nguchicho hatsa 2005 to 2007 dashi matoza za thamba longpa isa Oriental Theological College la Principal Kang Taku Nguchicho 2007 lana 2016 Adis Matoza e PhD Kyoyade Sekong Church Gona Sola e Pastor Sanyaba Kang Maya 2016 to 2019 Tashi Nguchina Rocho Hatsabakalang e Tambalongba Discipleship Bible College la e Associate Professor Kang Maya 2020 lana 2024 dashi e Hatsala Tikena Rocho Kona Ati Yocho Majangna 2024 Kang May 19 la Isa Litola Associate Pastor installed sana Chenye dashi Kanyang na Tikiyaleng Adi dashi la College Kona Litoti Babala Tikeba la E Kang Hiba Kang na 25 years serving the Lord. Kang Makeba Manga Tikeba la Royale. Kache Choba Ningdang Kada Tongchecho Hatsa Alasala na Chandare Discipleship Bible College la E Tone Yade Hila Principal Reverend Dr. Wati Na Kache Chono Nida Katang Ratana Hazoza Masuchecho Go Sandam Dila Baptist Litro, it's the Machana, Sandam Dila Baptist Litro, Go Lirise Litro, Na Nolam Amalakyo, Irikulan Rona Tankitanana, Sandam Dila Litrona, Long Beretana, Masuchena, Hazuruza, Ordination in the Tigecho. Hidade, Ijutrela Anyana, Tanki Danana, Bekabe, Tanki Danana, Sirang Bara Lamcho Tachoza, Ordination in the Kanyang Sena, Yingchona, Hazuruza, process Tigena Zicho. Chanye Kachetro, Nong Ta Akunguba. Hininda Akudi Matsiram Bakang Aningse ko Atishi Arangchi Jare. Hiba Nyamo Amala Akungubahi. Ijutela Nyamaling Nama Ta Ijute Trodara Artong Lile. Ina Apam Ninzam Matang Chino, Tanya Sala, Ning Kaduanya Tano Go Nerna, Hatsa Tankidanana, Nisonya Realatsa, Reverend YMD Executive Secretary Yuspla, Reverend Tridong, Church Advisor Board, Chairman Go Advisor Board TMT, Matoza Hila, Reverend Tsubi, Aziz Talong, Retired Language Officer, Discipleship Bible Former College Principal, Reverend Dr. Wati, Reverend Che, Senior Pastor, Sekong Church, Solana, Sangtam Dila Baptist Litro, Sangtam Dila Yang Dongla Yang Chaza Bapamchi, in the lay de Chirin Jona, Maina Liba, Lirise Baptist Litro Pastor Rangbi, Go Lirise Baptist Litro, Adesa Lirise Yang Tong Yang Chazaba Pamchi, Adesa Matoza, Hila, Sangtam Literature Board, Lirise Union Dimapur Kohima, Narabam Traze, Lamlong Nindang, Kanyare, Serambana Nara Matoza, Mawachang. Matoza in a main liba, go ite chingena liba, Sudu Chanirati, go Trelara, Suzara, Aratankidanang, Traze Kuna, He Nyamoroche go, Serambaka Ani Sechere, Kanyare. Adesela Alata, Reverend Tridong, Pastor, Abi Lamlong, Tankidanang, Traze Kuna, Chenye, He Ordination Yamu Tigego, Serambaka Ani Sechere. Isa Litola, Azibara, Lang Narati, Yutsirati, Kukidi, Nara Tankidanang, Nara Lamlong, Nara Kutsi, Lapcho, Traze Sacho, Iko Irokukina, Nara Bamde, Kanyare, Serangbana, Ala Mawachang. Inahila, Pariyuna Yukatu, Ala Salana Yono. I would like to express and note a nutshell from my testimony. First of all, I sincerely thank Reverend Dr. Wati, the former principal, and his lady wife, for your initiating, recommending, and supporting for this ordination. Thank you so much. We are indebted, sir, and God bless you. And today, the principal of the Discipleship Bible College, because of his pre-appointment, he's not with us, but he is praying for us. But I want to say thank you to all the professors from the Discipleship Bible College, your love and your support. May the good Lord bless you. And I also would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to my friends and my brother from another mother, whom I consider as a gift from God to my family. That is none other than Pastor John Ansari. Thank you so much. And also non-Sangtam speaking friends, those who are here this morning. Thank you for your love and your prayer support. May the good Lord bless you all. Hiba atongche chenye kache trohi iko irakuki na yucho tsirang bara akang litro tsirang bara litro utility ko utility nara abam de iko irakuki na makap na tigeno nyinchore matoza adesa isa litrola full time tigera tigon board church board utility nara tankidana traze nidang ka dang kanyare sirang bana nara abam mawachang